movies and TV shows all live on your Amazon Fire TV stick right now, right here. Check this out, guys. We have our Amazon Fire 4K device hooked up, ready to install some apps for free movies, free TV shows, maybe some live TV. First things first, come down to the left here to your little magnifying glass and your search icon and type in downloader, D-O-W-N. Downloader is an application which will allow us to download these awesome apps. So click on downloader, the orange icon. If you do not already have it, get it, download it, install it. I already own it, so nice and easy. Downloader allows you to sideload applications onto your Fire Stick that might not be available on the Amazon store, but will be available on like the Google Play Store.